Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making Nigeria party jollof rice. Party jollof rice. So this is actually quarter bag of rice. That's quarter bag of 50 kg. Yes, quarter bag. So inside this pot we have juice from the steamed meat. Yeah, that was the first thing we added into the pot. Then we now added the stew, because we actually made different stew. So we added stew. Also inside the stew we have garlic, ginger. So after which we added curry powder, thyme, crayfish, enough crayfish. Yeah, this was actually the stew we added, but this is the remaining. Yeah, this is the remaining of the stew. We'll leave this one for garnishing. So we'll cover and allow it to boil. Yeah, before the main deal will start happening. So let me seize this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. And if you are seeing this video for the first time, please do well and subscribe. Okay, love you. So this is actually the rice already parboiled. So at this point you have to start adding the rice. Yeah, because as you can see, the water is boiling. Yeah, we'll add. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do consider subscribing. Okay, and I won't forget to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, both new and old. Thank you so much. I love you from the depth of my heart. Thank you for your support. Thank you for giving me strength and muscle to continue pushing. Love you all. So this is how you do it. And after trying, make sure you try this because the taste is something else. It will give you a different thing entirely. So as you can see, you are stirring the whole thing. You have to stir so that it will mix well. Yeah, party jollof rice. Yeah, so you make sure you add every ingredient into that juice from the meat before you start. Let rice be the last thing, but you can also add stew. That's just like we are doing now. For garnishing, we're adding this because this thing wasn't enough, so we'll have to cover and allow it for 45 minutes. Yeah, come back and this is what you will get. Yeah, after 45 minutes, yeah, this is what you will get. Don't forget I said it's quarter bag of 50 kg. Yeah, join us if you are yet contemplate whether to subscribe or not. You see this rice, my dear, come over with your plate, and after it you have no choice than to subscribe. Love you. Thank you for watching. Mwah.